Good morning, Tin from Kaon here. We're at the back of the Prado. We're having a look at this spare tyre. So for a lot of you guys, you'll be running slightly bigger tyres, different rims, different offsets, and you'll probably come across this issue. And if you come in a bit closer, it's got to do with where the tyre touches the door. Now, this actual tyre here is not an issue, but my previous tyres, which were 33-inch, would rub up against the door there, and I tried to put something there to make it a bit prettier. But we've come up with a much tidier solution. So we'll take this wheel off, and I'll show you what we've done. So we like to keep things pretty simple here at Kaon. These are just little 6mm wheel spacers that you can whack on the back there. And if you only need 6mm, which I think most people will get away with, especially if you're just going to the next size up to 32-inch, that will get that space, that tyre off the back door. But if you want to, you could probably go 2. I'll show you with 2 to show you how much thread is left for those concerned about having to space it out too far. So it's as easy as placing it over the top there. These are aluminium and nicely linished, so they look quite attractive. So this will give you 12mm, which is probably more than enough for most people. Your other alternatives out there will have a big bracket and space that out 25, 30mm even, which means your tyre's hanging even further off the door, which would cause issues as well. But nice simple solution. I'll whack this up. I'll just put the 2 top nuts back on and then show you how much thread is left on the stud on the bottom, just to reassure people that this is quite a workable solution. Okay. As you can see, the bottom stud there is still sticking out a fair way. You've still got a good 25mm of thread to hold that spare tyre on. And because you're not using it as a driving wheel, it's all good. Now, if you come across here, can't quite remember if you remember how much space there, but now we've got heaps of space. So that's moving that out 12mm. And it actually doesn't look like you've spaced it out a huge distance, but that makes all the difference. And for you guys there considering the camera relocation mount and might be having a little bit of trouble getting that wire to get past that tyre, this is a good quick solution. So that's easy, simple solution for a problem if you've got bigger tyres on the back door and you get a bit of rubbing. So tyre spacers for the rear wheel.